Hello everyone, do you know how to simplify the square roots of numbers? I want us to simplify this maths problem. So root 6 plus 2 into square bracket root 6 subtract from 2. So the first thing that you're going to do, we're going to start with solution. We want to solve this problem. So we're going to start with the root 6 multiply by root 6. So there we shall have root 6 squared. Then from there we are going to take 2 multiply by 2. We shall have 2 minus 2 squared. Then from there we are going to simplify, that is root 6 squared. We shall have 6. So here is 6. Then 2 squared is 4. So we shall have 6 minus 4. And here the answer shall be 2. Let's check the other one also. We have 3 root 17. 3 minus root 17. Then again 3 plus root 17. So here we are going to solve. We start with solution first. So from there we are going to take 3, that is 3, and 3, that is 3 squared. Then from there we are going to take root 17 by root 17. So we are going to take minus root 17 squared, minus root 17 squared. So 3 squared, we shall have 9. We subtract from root 17 squared, we shall have 17. Then the answer here shall be 8. So remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Until the next video.